Hi, third graders. Are you ready to break out to summer? This is a fun breakout activity. I'm going to read the story to you and I'm going to give you some tips along the way. We are ready to get our summer started. However, we have a little problem. Someone thought they were funny and flipped the calendar back to September, and suddenly we are transported back to September 1st, 2020. While there were some good memorable things that happened in the 2020-2021 school year, we are really ready to move on to summer. We need to get back through the school year, remember the good and the fun, and put things back together so we can break out the summer. So that's the story. Let's look at the first lock. All right, so here's the first lock that you have to unlock. There were many great days to remember this school year. So here's the school year. The calendar, remember, is all out of order. You've got to put it in order. You'll notice there are shapes go with each month, and that's what you enter for the combination. So what is the first month of our school year? Look at the shape that goes with that month and enter it. So that's the combination shapes. Second lock. Bring your pet to Zoom Day was so much fun. So the topic on here is what branch of vertebrate biology do you want to study? So a vertebrate is an animal with a backbone. So JT, he says he loves reptiles. So which person would be JT because JT loves reptiles? There you go. There's a reptile and there's JT. Do you notice this is green? You'd put green for the combination. Then go to KM. What does KM want to specialize in? And then read that, find the color that goes with KM and what KM wants to specialize in. And the second combination is the color that goes with KM. Okay, so this took me a little bit of time to figure out. Virtual field trips. So these are all the virtual field trips to go to, and one spot or one area in that country. So here's India. The Taj Mahal is located in India. This is your starting point. Start here. The second virtual field trip was to Mount Fuji in Japan. So which direction do I have to travel on my screen to get to Mount Fuji in Japan? Do I go up, down, left, or right? So there's Mount Fuji and Japan. So which direction did I go? Up, down, whoops, hold on. Click on whichever arrow, and that's the first part of the combination. The third virtual field trip was the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. So I'm at Japan. Which direction do I go to visit the Great Barrier Reef in Australia? And then which arrow makes sense? Okay, the next one. Virtual choir practice was a hodgepodge of sound. Where was the mute button? So here are students singing. It's actually the Star Spangled Banner. So you have to put the words in order, the lyrics in order. And so you'll notice for the combination, it's the numbers. So whatever is first, look at the number behind that student, and that's the number for your combination. So you see 4, 6, 8, 9, 5, and 3. So you have to put those in order. All right, and this is the very last one to unlock. The virtual art fair was a great way to finish the school year, and now we're ready for my favorite season. You're going to see some beautiful artwork. Underneath each picture will be a title. So you have to look at the letter that's larger than the rest, unscramble them to spell out a word. Okay, have fun. I hope you unlock it.